burgers because let's see, there we go. We can do a little bit better, right? There we go. Better. Always get 2 In-N-Out burgers because I prefer to eat another burger over another fry. You know, these things are so good. And I always get 3 spreads at least. I also got some celery and carrots for the crunch. I really enjoy food, but it has to have a crunch for some reason. I don't know why. To drink again, we got this Minute Maid Zero. You guys would probably already know this. If I didn't mess up the last video, I can't believe I messed it up. I forgot to record on the Yeti, and I was only picking up the audio from the phone. I just went to Walmart, did some shopping. And then I dilute it with some water because this thing is freaking crazy sweet, even though it's 0 sugar. It uses something called aspartame or something, and that thing is still incredibly sweet. Oh, you can't even hear that. That's how stealthy that sounds. We also have some ranch for the celery and the carrots. Technical difficulties. This thing is on there. Come on, buddy. Don't make me look bad in front of my friends. Alright, we're just gonna remove the little piece of plastic that I had. Then we're gonna lick the ranch up off of these little things. I like ranch. We're gonna pour a little bit on this corner right here, so we can have some with our celery and our carrots. My mouth is watering, guys. That's gonna be the thumbnail. This thing is so good. It's such a small burger though. I wish it was like freaking 4 times bigger. This is awesome. Bon appetit, guys. I don't know if you guys heard on my last video, but I ate In-N-Out on my last video. But before that, I hadn't eaten In-N-Out in probably like a year. celery stick. I used to not like celery sticks. But then I tried the ants on a log, and that kind of got me liking celery sticks. It's basically like you're biting into a piece of water, basically. I don't know if these sounds are too intense or if they're just right. Let me know. Got a little bit of grilled onion. Alright guys, avert your eyes. Lettuce. Some tomato. A little bit of grilled onion. And some bread slices. That's it. Nothing to it. But it's crazy how good it is. That bite was good. Alright, we're putting pretty much all this bread on this one now. Guys, In-N-Out burgers, why are they so good? I don't think there's any other burger that gets close to it. And the thing is, I feel like even after I'm done eating this burger, I don't feel bloated. I don't feel heavy. It doesn't give me that side effect. I forgot what it was called. But I just don't feel like it's a heavy meal. Last little bite here. I'm still trying to figure out this whole distance from the video, the sound, and just a whole lot of things, right? So I'm hoping as time progresses, like I said, I'll continue to get better and better. Hopefully, right? It's only natural. It's crazy how sweet this thing is. Alright guys, that was the video. Hopefully you guys like it, and hopefully I made up for that last one that I absolutely destroyed with the sound quality. I really wanted In-N-Out again because you can never get tired of In-N-Out. And I was like, it gives me a good reason to do the video again. Let me know what you want to see next. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It helps me out a lot.